In this Step into Accessibility video, learn how to run your Ally report. We'll show you how to enable, run, and read the report. Enable the Ally link by clicking on Settings in your Canvas course. Click on the Navigation tab at the top of the page. Scroll down until you see Accessibility Report Ally. Click on the three dots. In the pop-up window, select Enable. Click Save to ensure that your changes take effect. Run the Ally report by clicking on the report link. Only the instructor can see this Ally link. At the top, your Ally report shows the average accessibility percentage of the Canvas content and uploaded files in your course. On the left of the Overview tab, course content is tallied by type. On the right, Start buttons provide access to the lists of easiest and lowest scoring issues. The Content tab lists all errors in your uploaded files and Canvas content. Use the lists in this report as a guide when fixing errors outside the Ally interface, so the fixes copy with your course content. Read the Ally report by scrolling down to the Remaining Issues section to view the severity icons. Marked with green flags, minor errors such as missing text, broken links, and skipped header structures can cause navigation and listening issues for students using screen readers. Marked with orange triangles, major errors such as broken tables, missing alt text, and videos without captions can prevent learners from accessing your content. Marked with red circles, severe issues such as scanned PDFs can make content completely inaccessible to learners. Use your Ally report as a guide when fixing these errors. Keep in mind, though, some errors are best addressed outside the Ally interface, so the fixes copy with your course content. Please visit the DE website to make an appointment and find more support resources at rccd.edu/de.